Hey guys, Yanina, co-founder of Yany Beauty. I had to jump on as I'm doing my skincare. Just watched my face, but started thinking about, if you are like me, you've probably heard in the news or read it wherever you read your news about the vampire facials, which is when they take like some of the blood from your, from yourself and then reinsert it into your face in order to make you look more youthful, But the horrific thing is some of these clinics, I guess, have been using syringes, old dirty syringes, and have been spreading HIV to clients, which is absolutely horrible. So with that, I thought it was a great time to reintroduce you to, or maybe introduce you to, one of Yany Beauty's bestsellers, something that we love so much in Yany Beauty and our customers do too, is our vampire exfoliating peel. So it is not a facial itself, but we do use it. So at Yany Beauty, we do offer facials, and we do use vampire for our vampire anti-aging facials, not to be mistaken with the facials that they draw blood and reinsert it, because this is just a vampire product. Is the name of the product is vampire, and it's an exfoliating peel. Really perfect for I had to pause to get some of this light out of my way. Really perfect for anti-aging. It's really good for all skin types except sensitive skin, because it is a natural exfoliant, but it just makes your skin look really good. So if you see I'm toning my skin, and you can see, I'm starting to get a little texture here, So, when I'm doing that, it's time to get a facial. But if I am not getting a facial at that moment, to at least do an exfoliation. And so I'm just toning my skin because I've washed my face already. And now I, just tone, because with vampire, this is it. You do this after you wash your face and tone your face. So you do your cleansing and toning first before you use vampire. The beauty about vampire is, we try to promote the cleanest beauty products that we can. And this one is made out of cherries. So the cherries act as an exfoliant. It smells so good. I mean, you can literally smell the fresh cherries in it. It smells so great. But it gently exfoliates your skin. It helps with anti-aging. So if you are a person of a certain age and you're trying to go through that anti-aging, I feel like, it's never too young to, just start using some anti-aging products. I wouldn't say never too young. You don't have to be a teenager, but, mid to late 20s, 30, great time to start your anti-aging, because, you want to treat your skin before it ages poorly. And so this helps. And again, it is for all skin types except for sensitive. And so it is vampire. So it really is cherries. It really is red. You see the texture. So after you wash and exfoliate, you want to apply vampire in a thin layer. Get in all of your spots except on your eyes. And so just gonna rub this around. Again, it smells so good, y'all. I ain't gonna even, I guess if you like the smell of cherries, it smells so great. And it is going to, I'm rubbing it in. It's going to work as, it's a natural glycolic. So if you've ever had a glycolic peel, it's going to take those dead skin layers off. It's going to make your skin look more glowing and, break off all the dry areas. So this is a natural glycolic, and the antioxidants in the cherries is what helps that happen. And so you want to make sure that you get all around. Like I said, you need a thin layer. You don't need anything super thick. I always have to make sure I get under my chin area. And you can use this about twice a week. And if you're new to using peels, glycolic, You might want to start with once a week, see how your skin reacts to it, and then you move up to about twice a week. So this is applied, as I say, you need a very small layer. What you see in here, this is actual cherries. And so that is the actual fruit in there. Those cherries are helping with the breaking up of like the dead skin cells. And then, so that's how you look when you wear a little vampire from Yany Beauty Vampire. So I have to leave this on you leave it on for about 5 to 7 minutes. So, turn on your timer. You shouldn't leave it on any longer than that. Turn on your timer and just relax for a minute and then come back and wash it off. So I will let this sit for a couple more minutes. I will wash it off and then show you what it looks like after. Okay, so I just washed it off. So if you can see, it's probably harder to see, but if you see less like dry patches, less dead skin. You don't feel it, but it feels like you can feel it's so much smoother. Those dead layers are gone. So yes, my skin feels so great. So after you do that, you can follow up with some moisturizer. This is Yany Beauty Soothe that I use. It's a hyaluronic. So I'm just going to follow up with that. After you use Vampire, you shouldn't use anything else on your face that has like essential oils, because it can irritate your skin. So make sure you avoid like essential oils, any other like glycolics, for at least like 48 hours after you do it. But like I said, it feels so good. My skin is so smooth now. It only takes 7 minutes to get you a natural glycolic peel right at home, so you don't have to chance it and go and get a vampire facial. You can come to Yany Beauty and get a regular vampire facial with our vampire exfoliating peel. But it's all safe, it's effective, it's made from botanical ingredients. You can find this online at yanybeauty.co. It is called Vampire. Or you can come in our store in Peachtree City and you can try Vampire. And we have other peels for different skin types. So we have a pineapple peel. We also have a pumpkin. All made with natural ingredients, just like the fruit that we talk about inside. It's inside of the bottle. It smells so good. So good, yumminess. So let me know, would you try the Yany Beauty exfoliating peel? All right, until next time, guys.